Hey everyone, so I thought I'd do a quick video on starting some tomato seeds here. We're sitting around April 10th, so I may be a little bit late for some of them, but this is about the same time I started last year, and we did well last year with the tomato seeds as well. So yeah, this time we're just starting some of the cherry tomatoes, a variety called Pink Bumblebee. It's a little larger than your cherry tomatoes, but still a really nice flavor. Yields quite a few. As well as there's 95% germination rate on 10 seeds, so I usually do about one seed per cell here. These are 9 cells because I just take them out and replant them anyways. I use a potting soil, and then I also mix in a very fine vermiculite, as you can see, just to get a bit more drainage. I've done it this way for 3 years and it works quite well for me. So for the seeding, I generally just put in, like I said, 1 seed per cell here. They're pretty tiny seeds, so try to thin them out as much as you can here. After I get all these planted, I usually let them kind of sit with the soil already kind of moist for a couple days until it dries out a little bit, and then I just kind of sprinkle enough water on top just to re-moisten the top as well. So after I've done the seeds, I'll just sprinkle a very thin layer of soil on top just to sort of cover the seeds here. And then once I'm done, I just gently use the back of my hand, pack down the soil. And this will, and since I already kind of moistened the soil will stay wet for a couple of days before it dries out a little bit, and I'll just kind of re-moisten the top of the soil as it dries out, other than giving it a full flood. Once these guys germinate, I'll wait till the second set of leaves come out, and we fertilize with an organic liquid feed once every probably 3 to 4 days to get them actually growing. So yeah, that's a quick video. Any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.